Whether you have a new email or you just want to update your password, you can easily make these changes to your FrontFighters account. Let's walk through the update process. If you are able to access your interactive account, simply tap the menu bars in the top right corner and select Account and Profile. Next, tap Login Information. Tap Change to change your email address. To make this update, you'll enter your new email address, type your password, and tap Change Email. If you want to change your password, tap Change, enter your email address, and tap Send Reset Link. You'll then be sent an email with a password reset link. If you aren't able to access your interactive account, navigate to app.frontfighters.com and click the Reset Password link at the bottom. Here, you'll enter the email address you used to purchase the interactive and hit Send Reset Link. And wait a few minutes for the email to land in your inbox. Be sure to also check your spam or junk folder in case the email was sent there. In the email that arrives, click the Reset Here password link. Enter your new password 2 times and tap Confirm. You will get a success message and will be able to log in. This will now allow you to navigate to any part of the app using the menu at the top. If you request a password reset link and it doesn't arrive in your inbox or spam folder, it may be that there was a typo in your email address when you purchased the interactive. To let us know about a potential typo, or if you have an alternative email we could use, please reach out to us and let us know by replying to any email from FrontFighters or emailing us at hello@frontfighters.com. And that is how to change your email or password.